What's going on, guys? Biker Dave here. This is my, I believe it's a 2002 or 2003 Troy Bilt 46-inch cut 21 horsepower riding mower. It has the 21 horse Intek V Twin engine. Yeah, I did a partial restoration of it a few years ago. I'll put a playlist link of all the stuff I've done to this tractor, including the awesome rear tires, which makes it near impossible to get stuck going up hills or driving on wet grass and that sort of thing. It never gets stuck. So that's one of my really happy about that. I even put a little trailer hitch on the back. But it's got 3 blades underneath, and they are not all the same size. You can get them as a set. I'll put a link down below where you can get them for this exact model, and it may work on other 3-blade 46-inch models. I believe, some that are MTD, Club Cadet, maybe some others that share the same type of blades. I just want to show you something. Okay, here are the blades I just removed. The smaller one is in the center. Now, I was able to find these pretty easily online without knowing the exact dimensions, but just to show you, the longer ones are around 16 inches. The shorter one is about 14 and a half. But yeah, you can see I bent this one. I struck something when I was cutting the grass the other day, and it bent it down, and these were about ready to be replaced anyway, so I went ahead and got a new set. But what I wanted to show you is, let's say you're starting from scratch working on yours, and yours doesn't even have blades on it yet. You're wondering which way do the blades fit on the tractor. Notice these have these little star-shaped inserts. Also, make sure yours has those if that's how yours came. But notice the blades will be turning in a clockwise direction if you're looking from above the tractor, looking down. They go clockwise, all of them do, because you see the blades are going under right here and under this way, and all of them fit the same as far as the direction they'll be cutting. So that's the main thing I wanted to show you, is the blades go in a clockwise direction. Okay, and what you'll need, if yours is the same as mine, I recommend you have a heavy-duty impact driver. Like this is one of the Mac Daddy 1,800 foot-pound impact drivers. I know you may not have one of those, but you could definitely use them, and it's a 24 millimeter nut that you'll be removing to get the blades off. It's best if you can put the tractor up on ramps of some sort so you can get underneath it safely, because you're going to be using quite a bit of torque. If you're using a breaker bar or something to get the nut off of each one, it's going to take a good bit of force if you don't have a serious impact driver like that one. So you make sure it's in a safe way, that you've got it elevated so you can get underneath that thing. Or, some people stand them straight up, but this thing is fairly heavy, so you might need some help if you're trying to stand it up on its end so that you can work on the blades while standing in front of it. So that may be an option, but I wasn't able to do that by myself. So I put it up on some ramps and got underneath it. And that's pretty much it. But yeah, it's actually quite a good tractor that I've had for many years. And like I said, you'll see a playlist thumbnail pop up at the end of other projects and things I've done to this tractor. And I recommend it. If you can find one, you can sometimes find these used, because this thing is about 20 years old, and it's good size. It's got the handles on the side, spring seat. Here's the exact model. If you're curious about your model, It's under the seat. So that's the model right there. 14AT809H766. Okay, so if you're curious, that's where you find it. And there's the battery also. Yeah, this thing came from Lowe's when it was brand new. And I bought it used and, you know, did some fix-ups to it and whatnot. So yeah, it runs great. So anyway, look for the link down below of where you can get the same blades. And if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks donation button that's under the video screen. We appreciate any financial support you can give. Y'all have a fabulous day.